What's up guys, it's Dan here at Vivid Racing, and today we're going to show you the brand new WP Pro front brake kit for the Can-Am X3. So let's check it out. Alright, so we are here with Vivid Racing's Project Can-Am X3 Max. This is a 2018 and we have been wanting to upgrade the brakes on this vehicle. Braking is something that's definitely overlooked. So we've worked with our partners at WP Pro Brakes to make this awesome front brake kit. These brakes are a forged two-piece caliper featuring a 6-piston design along with a 2-piece vented drilled rotor. Now this is a very large upgrade compared to the stock. The stock is a sliding 2-piece caliper with a single-piece steel stamped rotor. So this is quite the upgrade. Here you see the WP Pro caliper popping out behind these 15-inch fuel wheels. The caliper is definitely thicker than the factory one, so you want to make sure you have the right offset. You can also run the 14-inch wheels with a Super ATV 2-inch spacer. Here you can see the caliper on the inside of the wheel. The 6-piston caliper bolts to the wheel carrier with this ductile iron bracket. Now the brake caliper is designed to work with a factory steel braided brake line. It also features an inside and an outside bleeder valve, so you can easily bleed the pistons to have a very firm pedal feel. Alright, here we have some of the calipers to show you. These come in a variety of colors. Here we have the red version here. We also have them in this nice light blue, matches the RC version. We also have orange, yellow, silver, and black. Now this is the 2-piece 6-piston caliper that we talked about. So it's got an easy retainer spring clip that is held down so you can pull the pads in and out. Features dust seals around each piston which protects it from the elements of off-road. Each piston features drilled holes in there to make it lighter and help dissipate heat. You also have here the light blue caliper, which is a great option for the RC models. Again, these come in multiple different colors, but we wanted to show you 2 of these bright, vibrant colors for the WP Pro kit. Each WP Pro 6-piston brake kit for the Can-Am also includes these awesome steel 2-piece rotors. Now these rotors are much larger than stock. These are 273 millimeter compared to the factory, which is just about 260 millimeter. Now because these are much larger and feature a vented design and drilled, where the stock rotor is a 1-piece steel plate, these rotors weigh 5.5 pounds compared to the stock, which is about 2.5 pounds. However, you get some serious braking and heat dissipation. These rotors bolt to the factory hub with floating hardware. The floating hardware provides about a 40 thousandths difference to really give the rotor a slight floating advantage over a stock rigid rotor. Alright, we showed you the calipers, we showed you the rotors. They're already installed on our X3, so let's go take it around and have some fun. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This was super fun to drive the new WP Pro Big Brake Kit here on the X3. The 6-piston brake kit is definitely an industry first here in the UTV market. We plan on doing some more kits for other vehicles, so hope you like how this turned out. Go ahead and leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and if you're interested in ordering this, hit us up at vividracing.com.